the racks are back, but with an improved design, hopefully. So this is the one we looked at before, a couple of videos ago now, and basically it's a 3D printed Minidisc rack. Okay, quite simple. But I did comment to the person who made them that these are a little bit flimsy, and if they're full up with discs, this might be easy to actually break. And he said he could make a thicker one, which would be more expensive but thicker, and therefore a little bit stronger. So he went ahead and did it, and I ordered one from him. And I can't remember how we opened this last time. So now we're just going to undo it and have a look and see how good it is. Let's just slide it outside there. Good packing again, but I think it got a bit twisted in the delivery process. He must be spending nearly all his money on packaging, I think, this guy. So this one's in black. Yeah, that's significantly thicker. Oh wow, that's interesting. So he's used obviously a different filament for the 3D printing, but he's made a bigger lattice there than he has done on that one. And let's have a look at the other. So same width, same length, and same height. So the height is the same, but that is significantly stronger. Now there's nothing wrong with that. I'm pretty sure these will be fine. It's just that if you had a lot of mini discs up that end and you picked it up like this, you might be pushing your fingers through this lattice work here. So that's excellent. So let's have a look. Yeah, there's no danger at all of that breaking. So yeah, he's using more materials, so he's going to be more expensive and take longer to print, and that's why it will be an increase in cost. But he's also made a design improvement there and put these tracks down the side. So he's using quite a bit more material. God, I don't want to bend this. Yeah, so that's quite a bit. Yeah, I think most of the strength has gone in that bottom section there, due to this part and the thicker lattice there. And I can't tell whether it's actually thicker sort of that way. Yeah, it does feel a bit thicker that way. But I think what he's probably done. Let me have a closer look. Okay, so it's the next day. I had to stop shooting because there was too much noise inside and outside the house. But yeah, the strengthening is not in the thickness like that way of the lattice. It's in how thick the parts between the lattice are, and also because of these extra bits here which aren't present here, sort of like the bit along the side. So it's significantly stronger, I would think. But there's nothing really wrong with this, so long as you don't pick it up like that. It will flex, and I think if you've got a lot of discs at the end and you pick it up like that, there is a chance that this could break. Whereas in this one, it's much more rigid, feels like it's more solid. So if they're sitting on the desk, doesn't matter, but if you're moving them around, it might do. So there's going to be a link in the description about where you can get these, if you can still get them. That you can at the moment, and if that changes, I'll change the link. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.